Welcome to the HRSA Data Warehouse video on the Rural Health Grants Eligibility Analyzer. In this video, we'll show you how to use this tool to check whether a location may be eligible for rural health grants. To access the Rural Health Grants Eligibility Analyzer, expand the Tools drop-down menu and select Rural Health Grants Eligibility Analyzer. You can use this tool in two ways. You can search by street address, or you can search by state and county. Keep in mind that rural health areas do not always cover an entire county. For this example, we'll search by state and county. Each field has a drop-down list with all available state and county options. After you run the search, the tool shows your selected county and its rural grants eligibility. In this example, the county we selected is eligible for rural health grants. Now let's enter a different state and county. The results show that this county is not eligible for rural health grants. For more accurate results, use a specific street address when possible. To find more information about the Federal Office of Rural Health Policy and how rural areas are defined, see the links at the bottom of the page. This concludes our tutorial. If you have questions, contact the Federal Office of Rural Health Policy at 301-443-0835 or email us at data@hrsa.gov. Thank you for watching and for visiting the HRSA Data Warehouse.